Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Fashion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections with offer price only for you. So let me display very exclusive one, pure handloom collection. Very nice one, bright, beautiful color combinations also. This one, very elegant one, pure muslin silk, pure handloom muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving design, buta, full base part, multi-color weaving buta design. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, transparent, pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta, fully hand weaving work. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, multi-color hand weaving buta design, highlighted golden zari lines. This one is very soft, comfortable one, lightweight obviously, 300 gram weight only. Beautiful one, pure muslin silk with jamdani buta. Very elegant one, soft, elegant, trendy looks, very traditional also. And I will suggest this silk material, checks with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, trendy, smart, elegant looks. This one also beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also, light peach pink shade, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom tissue muslin, very soft, comfortable one, very exclusive, unique collection. This one full base part, this one is border portion muslin, and this one is full base part, beautiful tissue muslin, have sign also, golden sign tissue muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is full base part, this one is pallu end, highlighted golden zari fine stripes, and full base part is beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Base is premium quality, pure handloom tissue muslin. And this one full base part, border portion contrast border, pure muslin silk border, and this one is muslin silk with tissue weaving design. Base have golden sign also, and full base part is beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Very elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, have golden sign, very soft, lightweight, only 300 gram weight, very exclusive one, pure one. And I will suggest this pure silk material, fine golden zari checks with digital print, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks. And this one also beautiful one, pure muslin silk with hand weaving jamdani work, very soft, lightweight, comfortable obviously. And this one full base part, pure muslin silk, transparent, only 300 gram weight. This one full base part, this one is border portion, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, fully weaving jamdani work, border portion. And this one is full base part, beautiful color combinations. And the full base part is multi-color weaving design, hand weaving design buta. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu. And this one is full base part, transparent, pure muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is border portion, this one is border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, pure muslin silk, transparent. Very exclusive one, beautiful, smart, elegant, traditional looks, based for your festive wear. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, smart, exclusive looks. This one also beautiful one. Very exclusive collections, unique also, premium quality, pure handloom tissue muslin with weaving work, contrast color weaving design, border portion, and pallu. This one full base part, beautiful color combination. This one is full base part, tissue muslin, have golden sign, soft, lightweight, transparent. And this one border portions, contrast color with beautiful golden zari hand weaving jamdani work, border golden zari weaving work. And this one full base part, tissue muslin, transparent, have sign also, based for your festive wear, gorgeous looks. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, golden zari fine weaving stripes with beautiful buta design, fully hand weaving buta design pallu. And this one is full base part, very elegant looks, have golden sign. This one is full base, beautiful one, tissue muslin border portion, have golden sign, full base, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Very elegant looks, very lightweight also, only 300 gram. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, elegant, bright looks. Very beautiful color combinations, fully hand weaving, heavy jamdani work. This one, beautiful color combination, soft, lightweight, pure muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, beautiful weaving, fine weaving design, jamdani work, fully hand weaving. This one is full base part, transparent, very elegant one, pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Soft, lightweight, only 300 gram, below 300 gram weight. This one is full base part, beautiful bird weaving design, hand weaving design, and this one, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu. Very exclusive, smart looks. This one is beautiful hand weaving work, and this one is full base part, pure muslin silk with jamdani work. Very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one also beautiful color combinations with fine hand weaving jamdani work border and pallu. Very nice one, smart, bright looks, best for your festive wear, pure muslin silk. This one full base part. This one is border portion, very soft, lightweight, 300 gram weight. This one border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work border, and this one is full base part, beautiful color combinations also, soft, comfortable, pure muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. And this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy jamdani work pallu, and this one full base part, beautiful color combinations. Full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, polka design, fully hand weaving, and this one is border portion, very nice one, transparent. This one is full border, and this one is full base, very elegant one. This one is beautiful base part, very smart, trendy, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this synthetic material, stripes pattern buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, elegant, smart, bright looks. This one also very trendy one, very smart, unique collections, exclusive combination. This one full base part, soft muslin silk, pure silk, soft, and this one full base part, heavy diagonally weaving design, golden zari weaving design with highlighted buta work, multicolor. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations, half-inch highlighted golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful diagonally weaving design, stripes pattern, very elegant, smart looks, and beautiful buta design, full base. This one is full base part, beautiful, smart looks, and this one is running blouse piece, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part. Full base part is same diagonally weaving design, highlighted buta, and this one is pallu in beautiful fine golden zari stripes, and this one is full base part, soft, lightweight, pure muslin silk, below 300 gram weight with heavy weaving design, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving work, Banarasi weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, elegant, smart looks, very gorgeous also. This one also bright magenta pink shade with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving design, jamdani design, very nice one, fine work, fine base, and with beautiful hand weaving design. This one full base part. This one is border portion, fully hand weaving jamdani work border, contrast color with highlighted golden zari weaving design, and this one is full base part, pure resham silk with beautiful weaving polka design, full base part. And this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani, heavy jamdani work pallu, fully hand weaving base, and this one full base part, beautiful one, smart, elegant looks, traditional looks. pure resham silk, transparent with jamdani work. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks. Very traditional, also pure resham silk. And also, very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving, golden and silver zari weaving design, buta work, very smart, elegant, trendy looks. This one, full base part, pure resham silk. This one is full base part, and this one is, beautiful hand weaving buta design. This one is full base part, transparent, pure resham silk, soft, comfortable one. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted silver zari stripes with beautiful hand weaving design, very elegant one. And this one is full base part, very exclusive, smart looks. This one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving design, golden and silver zari weaving work, very nice one, fully hand weaving design. And this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, fine, transparent. And I will suggest this silk material contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, trendy looks, very elegant also. This one also, very traditional, beautiful, exclusive looks, pure muslin Banarasi. Let me open with patli pallu, beautiful color combinations, fine, and with beautiful hand weaving design border. Banarasi weaving border design. This one, full base part. This one is upper base part, soft, lightweight, pure muslin silk. And this one is border portions, fully contrast color, hand weaving Banarasi border. This one is Banarasi border design, fully hand weaving. And this one, full base part, beautiful color combinations, fine, pure muslin silk with beautiful jamdani buta, very traditional also, golden zari and red contrast fine weaving buta. This one and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful hand weaving Banarasi work pallu. This one is beautiful weaving design, Banarasi weaving design, pallu, fully hand weaving. And this one, split sections, beautiful one. This one is pleats, patli pallu, but pleats also contrast color with beautiful Banarasi weaving design, very exclusive one. This one is pleats. This one is running blouse piece border, and this one is pleat section, and this one is upper base part, pure muslin with buta design. And this one is Banarasi weaving border design, and same patli pallu, same pallu weaving, Banarasi weaving pallu, very exclusive, smart looks, based for your festive wear, very traditional, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, trendy, elegant looks, traditional also. This one also, same material, same pattern, different color only, patli pallu, pure muslin Banarasi with fully hand weaving Banarasi work. This one, full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful, elegant color combinations. This one is full base. This one is Banarasi weaving contrast color, Banarasi weaving border design, fully fine weaving design, fully hand weaving Banarasi work. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, same pattern, Banarasi weaving design, heavy weaving design, pallu. And this one is, full base part, pure muslin silk with contrast color weaving buta design, golden and red contrast weaving buta. This one is muslin part, upper part, transparent with Banarasi weaving contrast color border. And this one, split section, patli pallu, very exclusive one. This one is splits. This one is splits, fully Banarasi weaving design, contrast color. And this one is upper base part, pure muslin, transparent with buta design. And this one is border, very exclusive, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very traditional, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this golden base, heavy sequin work checks pattern, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, smart, exclusive looks. So same material, same pattern, patli pallu Banarasi muslin Banarasi, beautiful one, contrast border, and this one full base part, beautiful one, off white base. This one is full base part, this one is border, contrast color with Banarasi weaving design border, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, fine golden zari with contrast red weaving design butta. This one is upper base part of white base, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy hand weaving Banarasi design pallu, fully hand weaving work, beautiful hand weaving Banarasi border and Banarasi pallu, and this one is contrast color hand weaving Banarasi border, and this one split section, very beautiful one. This one is split sections, fully contrast color with fully hand weaving Banarasi design splits. This one is splits, this one is upper base part, this one is upper base part with butta work, this one is a contrast color with hand weaving border design, same heavy weaving design pleats, and pallu, very elegant smart looks, pure handloom muslin Banarasi. And I will suggest this heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece, golden shade heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, elegant, trendy, traditional looks. And this one also beautiful one, pure handloom hand spun matka with beautiful hand weaving design work, very smart, trendy looks, exclusive one. This one full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful color combinations, pure handloom hand spun matka, feather like soft comfortable one, and this one border portions, beautiful fine weaving design border. This one is border portion, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks, bright color, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving design pallu with beautiful pom-pom design, beads pom-pom, and this one full base part, very nice one, soft, comfortable, feather like soft, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka with weaving design. This one full base part, beautiful smart looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving design border portion. This one is border portions, beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy self weaving brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one also very exclusive work, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka base with resham cell sequence stripes with beautiful resham pallu, also with beautiful work also. This one full base part, this one is premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka with resham stripes, cell sequin resham stripes, full base, very soft, comfortable one, feather like soft, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, beautiful elegant color combinations also. Full base part is pure resham silk cell sequin stripes design, and this one pallu part, pallu also very exclusive work. This one is pallu part, pure resham silk with golden and silver zari cell sequin work design. This one is jamdani butta, and this one is cell sequin stripes, and this one wool work with first created jacket with weaving time created jacket with wool work, very nice one. This one is fully jacket weaving design by wool, and this one full base part, very elegant one, jamdani butta cell sequin design and wool work with jacket creation, very nice one, weaving time created jacket then wool work, very exclusive one, elegant designer piece, very exclusive combination. This one is full base, feather like soft, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka resham pallu with designer work. And I will suggest this silk material with butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, bright looks, designer looks. This one also very elegant one, pure handloom, premium quality, export quality, hand spun matka base with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, contrast color, fine jamdani work, very exclusive one. This one full base part, beautiful export quality, premium quality, hand spun matka, and this one is border portion, fine hand weaving design border, golden zari with contrast red threaded weaving design, jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani work. This one is fully border portion, fully hand weaving work, very exclusive one, premium quality. This one is pure handloom, hand spun matka, premium quality, export quality, hand spun matka. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, border portion, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one. This one is pallu, highlighted golden zari with matka weaving stripes design, and this one is resham, pure resham silk with hand weaving jamdani work, then again stripes pattern matka with golden zari, and then again resham with beautiful jamdani work, very exclusive work, very exclusive combinations also. This one is full base part, that is an exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, trendy, exclusive looks. Beautiful one, silk material, soft silk material with heavy weaving work, based for your festive wear, very nice on. This one full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful one. This one is border portions, heavy weaving design border, and this one is full base part, beautiful contrast color, red contrast with golden zari weaving buta design. This one is full base part, very elegant one. And this one pallu part, beautiful one. This one is pallu, full beautiful heavy weaving design pallu. This one is pallu part, very exclusive, smart looks, based for your festive wear. This one is pallu, and this one upper base part, heavy weaving work, off white base. This one is upper portion, beautiful heavy work, and this one split sections, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks, bright also, based for your festive wear. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, bright looks. This one also beautiful one, white base, soft silk material, white base with beautiful contrast color weaving border design and pallu, very nice one, fresh white base. This one pure white with golden zari weaving buta design, and this one border portions, contrast color with heavy weaving design, golden zari weaving design border, contrast color, and highlighted temple weaving design. And this one full base part, beautiful golden zari fine weaving buta design, pure white base. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy weaving design pallu, contrast color dye with beautiful weaving design pallu. And this one full base part, very smart, elegant looks, pure white buta design, golden zari and contrast border, very elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, smart, bright looks, based for your festive wear. And I will suggest this silk material, checks with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, bright, beautiful looks. This one also same material, soft silk with beautiful weaving design, contrast border, one portion is green shaded and one portion is pink shaded contrast border. And this one is a full base part, dark navy blue shade, and this one is border contrast color with heavy weaving design, border portion highlighted temple weaving design. And this one full base part, fine weaving golden zari buta design. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy weaving design, brocade pattern weaving design pallu. And this one full base part, very elegant one, smart looks, bright one. This one is full base part, very nice one, contrast border, soft, lightweight, comfortable, soft silk with highlighted buta and border. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, bright, festive looks. This one also, beautiful one, beautiful elegant color combination, same material, soft silk, contrast border, temple weaving design, highlighted border portion, slate gray shade with contrast color border, and full base part is beautiful weaving Buddha design. This one, full base part, this one is border, contrast color weaving design, heavy weaving design, bouquet pattern weaving design border, and this one, full base part, beautiful fine Buddha work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is one portion is green shaded and one portion is bright pink shaded contrast border, and this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one. Contrast color dye pallu with beautiful weaving design, contrast weaving design pallu, and I will suggest this silk material with self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright looks. This one also, very elegant one, off-white base with contrast color border, same material, soft silk, golden zari weaving Buddha design and contrast border, and pallu, very nice one. This one, full base part of white with golden zari weaving design Buddha, and this one, border portions, contrast color with heavy weaving bouquet pattern weaving design border, and this one is temple weaving design, highlighted the border, and this one is full base part, soft comfortable smart looks with golden zari weaving fine Buddha design, and this one, pallu part, contrast color dye with beautiful bouquet pattern weaving design, heavy weaving design pallu, soft comfortable smart looks, contrast color. This one is one portion is pink shaded, one portion is green shaded contrast border, and this one, full base part, very smart elegant looks, beautiful fine weaving small Buddha design, fully weaving work, and this one is full base part, very elegant traditional smart beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy golden zari weaving Buddha work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy smart looks, bright also. And this one also, very beautiful gorgeous one, bright black shade with contrast color border design, based for your festive wear, very nice one. This one, full base part, black base, bright black base, soft silk material, and this one, border portions, contrast color weaving design border, heavy bouquet pattern weaving design border, highlighted temple weaving design. This one is full base part, black with golden zari fine weaving Buddha work, and this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy bouquet pattern weaving design pallu, and this one, full base part, very elegant one, one portion is green shaded, one portion is pink shaded contrast weaving border, and this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving Buddha design, very elegant one, bright gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this bouquet work, heavy bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart elegant looks. This one also, beautiful one, navy blue shade, royal blue shade with contrast border, very bright fresh looks, based for your festive wear, soft silk, premium quality soft silk material with heavy weaving design. This one, full base part, this one is border portion, contrast color, fully weaving design border, highlighted temple, and this one, full base part, beautiful fine weaving Buddha design, full base, and this one is contrast color pallu with heavy weaving bouquet pattern weaving design pallu, and this one, full base part, bright looks, royal blue shade with beautiful fine weaving Buddha design, very elegant smart looks. And I will suggest this bouquet work, heavy bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart elegant looks. Very beautiful one, white base, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton with beautiful weaving Buddha design, full base. This one, full base part, soft lightweight pure handloom one. This one is golden zari border, and this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton with beautiful contrast color golden zari with red threaded weaving design buta, contrast weaving work, very nice one, smart looks, pure white base, golden zari border, red contrast weaving buta, red contrast with golden zari weaving buta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully contrast color, dobby pattern weaving design. This one is highlighted stripes, beautiful temple weaving design, highlighted the pallu, and this one is beautiful weaving design, very nice one, smart bright looks, based for your festive wear, white base, golden zari border, red contrast threaded weaving buta design, very elegant one. And I will suggest this golden shade heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright looks. And this one also, you know, beautiful one, based for your festive wear, white base, contrast color dye red border, premium quality pure handloom silk linen. And this one, you know, full base part, white base. This one is, you know, border portions, contrast color dye with beautiful Banarasi weaving border design. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu in this contrast color, highlighted golden zari stripes pallu. And this one, you know, border portions, beautiful fine golden zari weaving design border. This one is full base part, soft lightweight handloom silk linen material with beautiful Banarasi, heavy Banarasi weaving design, contrast color dye with beautiful Banarasi weaving border design, very elegant smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive elegant trendy looks. This one also, you know, based for your festive wear, pure handloom charka cotton with fine weaving design border and pallu also. This one, you know, full base part, pure handloom charka cotton, very soft, comfortable, elegant looks. This one is border portions, contrast color, fully fine hand weaving design border, beautiful one. And this one is beautiful weaving buta design, very smart elegant look, soft lightweight comfortable pure handloom charka cotton. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy weaving design, stripes pattern, and every stripes is weaving design, fine weaving design, stripes pattern pallu. This one is heavy weaving work, and this one is beautiful weaving stripes design, very elegant one, smart trendy looks, very comfortable one, soft lightweight pure handloom charka cotton. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy smart looks. This one also, you know, bright face one, pure muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one, you know, royal blue shade, you can say royal blue shade with beautiful hand weaving work. This one is pure muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work border. And this one, you know, full base part, fine weaving buta design, very elegant one, bright fresh looks, traditional also. And I will put, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu, and pallu in this beautiful pom pom design, beads pom pom. And this one, you know, full base part, very elegant smart exclusive looks, soft lightweight transparent. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright smart traditional looks. So, you know, very beautiful elegant one, pure muslin silk with beautiful weaving design, very smart trendy looks, half inch golden zari highlighted border. And this one, you know, full base part, very soft comfortable pure muslin silk, beautiful color combinations also. This one is highlighted border, golden zari highlighted border. And this one is full base part, full base part is pure handloom hand weaving design, stripes, diagonally stripes pattern with beautiful weaving buta design, and pure muslin base transparent. This one is pure muslin base with beautiful stripes pattern, diagonally stripes work. This one is beautiful hand weaving design, very soft, comfortable, elegant looks. Only 300 gram weight. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu in beautiful smart looks, highlighted golden saree, fine stripes pallu, and this one is beautiful pure muslin base with hand weaving work. Very smart, trendy, exclusive looks. Very trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material golden saree weaving polka work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart trendy looks. Very beautiful one. This one also beautiful one, based for your festive wear, very traditional exclusive looks, premium quality pure handloom silk linen with contrast color border and full border portions, heavy Banarasi weaving design. This one full base part white base silk linen, and this one is contrast color dye border with fully Banarasi weaving design. Very nice one. Elegant looks, bright also. This one also pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design pallu, based for your festive wear. Very nice one. This one border portions wide border with heavy weaving design, contrast color red border with beautiful weaving design, Banarasi weaving design border. And this one is full base part silk linen material with beautiful Banarasi border. This one is white base silk linen, and this one is border portion. Very elegant looks. And this one is running blouse piece border. It's a fine stripes pattern running blouse piece. Very nice one. And I will suggest this golden set weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright traditional looks, based for your festive wear. And this one also smart looks, very bright, beautiful, gorgeous also. Tissue muslin with beautiful hand weaving design border and pallu also. This one is full base part, very nice one. Tissue muslin have sign also, golden sign, very exclusive looks. This one is border portion contrast color muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work border, and this one is full base part, very soft comfortable one, only 300 gram weight tissue muslin. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, base is tissue muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving, and pallu end is highlighted gicha with golden saree fine weaving stripes pattern. Very nice one, highlighted the pallu and with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, and base is tissue muslin, exclusive work. This one full base part, beautiful one, transparent tissue muslin contrast border with beautiful hand weaving work jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color have golden sign, and full base have golden sign also. Very exclusive one. And I will suggest this bouquet work, heavy bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright trendy looks, based for your festive wear gorgeous looks. Also beautiful one, pure handloom muslin tissue muslin with beautiful hand weaving work. This one full base part, very nice one. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom tissue muslin, very soft comfortable one, only 300 gram weight. And this one border portions, bottom portions, border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is border portion pure muslin, and this one is middle portions beautiful tissue muslin with bright color combination, soft lightweight comfortable semi transparent. And this one is running blouse piece, have golden sign also, and this one is full base part, beautiful smart looks. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, base is tissue muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is golden saree weaving design, and this one is beautiful butta, and this one is full base part, very elegant trendy smart looks, bright also, based for your festive wear. This one is full base tissue muslin pure one, and I will suggest this bouquet work, heavy bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright looks. This one also, beautiful traditional looks, very nice one, bright color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom matka base, golden zari border. This one, full base part, beautiful one, golden zari border, and full base part is matka base, bright red shade, based for your festive wear. Gorgeous looks, beautiful bright color, pure matka handloom, golden zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work with sequin design. Highlighted the pallu, highlighted the design, and this one is pallu in stripes pattern, and this one is full pallu part muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Smart, bright, gorgeous looks, based for your festive wear. Very nice one. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, exclusive looks. Gorgeous also. This one also, beautiful one, pure handloom hand spun matka base, a feather like soft comfortable one with beautiful sequin design, border work, jacket weaving design, sequin work. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations, orange shade, and this one, border portions, beautiful sequin design by weaving sequin design border portion. Beautiful smart looks, and this one is full base part, pure handloom hand spun matka, very soft comfortable one, feather like soft one. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, resham pallu, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, golden and silver zari weaving jamdani work, pure resham silk with sequin design, and pallu in this beautiful beads pom pom. And this one is full base, very elegant smart looks, and this one is full base part. This one is border portions, weaving sequin design, and I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, exclusive, trendy looks. Very nice one. Also, beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also, premium quality, pure handloom resham silk with beautiful hand weaving design. This one, full base part, very soft, comfortable, 300 gram weight only. This one, full base part, fine, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy weaving design, jamdani work. This one is beautiful weaving design, fully hand weaving, pure base is pure resham silk with beautiful pom pom design. And this one, full base part, fine hand weaving buta design, beautiful color combinations also, pure resham silk with beautiful weaving design, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this golden shade brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, exclusive, bright looks. Very smart one, transparent, pure resham silk with hand weaving jamdani work. This one also, beautiful one, pure white base with hand weaving jamdani buta design, pure handloom one. This one, full base part, half matka, half muslin, white base. This one is muslin, upper base muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, golden zari with contrast red thread weaving design jamdani work. Base is muslin, transparent. This one is upper portion, base portion, and this one is pallu in matka base with sequence design. Pallu, this one is pallu matka base, and this one, half portion, pure handloom matka, premium quality. This one is pure handloom matka base, half matka, half muslin. This one is matka and this one is muslin, transparent with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta. Very nice one, smart, exclusive looks, pure white base. And I will suggest this pure silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving stripes design, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, elegant, trendy looks. And you know, today I have draped a beautiful saree, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with beautiful stripes design, silk sequin, pure resham silk with silk sequin stripes, highlighted the stripes portion. And this one is gicha, golden saree, silver saree, weaving design, stripes work, full base part. And this one is shivori dye, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk with silk sequin design and peacock motif hand weaving jamdani work. This one is pure resham pallu and beautiful pom-pom design also beads. And this one is full base part, same stripes pattern, full base, silk sequence stripes design, resham and shivori type, very exclusive one, very soft, comfortable one, feather like soft, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.